Revolutionizing business operations, unleashing the potential of AI in business process automation. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the transformative landscape of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on business operations through the lens of business process automation, BPA. If you're curious about the future of work and the intricate dance between technology and business efficiency, you're in for a treat. Before we dive deep, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our tech explorations. Now, let's unravel the intricacies of AI-driven business process automation. 1. The role of AI in business process automation, defining business process automation, BPA. Let's start with the basics. Business process automation, or BPA, is the strategic use of technology, particularly AI, to automate repetitive tasks and streamline intricate business processes. It's not just about efficiency, it's a fundamental shift in how organizations operate, leveraging technology to enhance productivity and agility. The scope of BPA goes beyond mere task automation. It involves reimagining and optimizing entire workflows, leading to a paradigm shift in organizational efficiency. Understanding AI's contribution. Now, let's zoom in on the star of our show, artificial intelligence. AI is the driving force behind BPA, equipped with cognitive capabilities that elevate its role beyond mere automation. With machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and advanced analytics, AI brings a level of intelligence that enables it to handle tasks traditionally reserved for human decision-making. AI's contribution isn't static, it evolves dynamically. As organizations delve into AI-powered BPA, they witness a continuous refinement of processes, thanks to the self-learning capabilities ingrained in modern AI systems. AI's evolution in BPA. The evolution of AI in BPA is a fascinating narrative. From rule-based automation to the current era of adaptive self-learning systems, AI has grown exponentially. The ability to adapt and learn from data sets allows AI to continuously optimize processes, making it a dynamic force in the ever-evolving business landscape. In the early stages, BPA relied on predefined rules. However, the contemporary landscape sees the infusion of AI algorithms that not only execute tasks, but also learn from patterns, adapting in real time to enhance efficiency. 2. Applications of AI in business process automation, data entry, and document processing. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of applications. Data entry and document processing, notorious for their tedium, find a savior in AI. The technology's prowess in understanding and processing unstructured data accelerates these tasks, ensuring not just speed, but also enhanced accuracy. AI's capability to comprehend and process unstructured data isn't just about speed. It's about minimizing errors in data entry, a critical factor in maintaining data integrity across various business processes. Customer service and chatbots. Ever wondered about those instant responses from customer support? Enter AI-driven chatbots. These virtual assistants revolutionize customer service by handling routine queries, providing real-time solutions, and liberating human agents to focus on complex interactions, elevating the overall customer experience. Chatbots are not just about answering FAQs, they are becoming conversational agents, capable of understanding context, sentiment, and even nuances in human communication, making them indispensable in enhancing customer satisfaction. Workflow automation. Workflow automation is the unsung hero of operational efficiency. AI analyzes historical data to optimize and automate workflows, ensuring tasks flow seamlessly. The result? Faster processes, improved consistency, and the ability to adapt to changing business demands with remarkable agility. The impact of AI-driven workflow automation goes beyond efficiency. It instills adaptability into business processes, enabling organizations to respond swiftly to market dynamics and evolving customer expectations. 3. Benefits and impact on businesses. Increased efficiency and productivity. Now let's talk impact. The most palpable benefit is the surge in efficiency. By automating mundane tasks, AI allows businesses to redirect human resources towards strategic endeavors. This not only boosts productivity, but also fosters an environment ripe for innovation. The efficiency dividend from AI-driven BPA isn't just quantitative, it's qualitative. It opens up avenues for employees to engage in creative and strategic aspects of their roles, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Cost savings. Beyond efficiency, let's discuss the financial aspect. Implementing AI in BPA translates to significant cost savings. Reduced manual errors, faster processing times, and achieving more with fewer resources contribute to a healthier bottom line. Cost savings extend beyond direct operational expenses. The ripple effect includes minimized error-related losses, decreased operational overheads, and the ability to reallocate budgets to areas that fuel growth and innovation. Enhanced decision-making. AI's prowess extends beyond automation. By processing vast datasets, AI systems become invaluable decision-making tools. Businesses gain insights that lead to informed and strategic decisions, driving growth and competitive advantage. The synergy between AI and decision-making isn't just about data analysis. It's about providing decision-makers with actionable insights, empowering them to make decisions that resonate with the broader organizational strategy. 4. Challenges and considerations. Security and privacy concerns. As we traverse the landscape of AI-driven BPA, it's crucial to address challenges. Security and privacy take center stage. Businesses must ensure robust measures to safeguard sensitive data, adhering to the highest standards of data protection to maintain trust and compliance. The intricate dance between convenience and security in AI-driven BPA demands a meticulous approach. Striking the right balance involves adopting encryption, authentication protocols, and continuous monitoring to thwart potential security breaches. Workforce adaptation. Another facet of the AI BPA dynamic is workforce adaptation. Embracing AI means preparing the workforce for change. Upskilling and reskilling initiatives become imperative, ensuring employees align with the evolving landscape of automated processes. Workforce adaptation isn't just a matter of learning new skills. It's about cultivating a culture of continuous learning. Organizations need to invest in comprehensive training programs to equip employees with the skills required in an AI-centric workplace. In conclusion, the marriage of AI and business process automation isn't just a technological upgrade, it's a seismic shift in organizational paradigms. As businesses continue to harness the power of AI, we anticipate unprecedented levels of efficiency, innovation, and growth. If you found this exploration intriguing, give us a thumbs up, share with your tech-savvy friends, and hit subscribe for more tech odysseys. Until our next dive into the tech cosmos, stay curious and embrace the unfolding future of technology.